How to get $90 Fandango promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in fandango.com and search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Fandango. Once you land to the official website, log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But where can you find Fandango promo code? For that, open a new tab and then type in Fandango promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Fandango. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that 10% off, 50% off, $15 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on See Details. Make sure to check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it. Now head towards the website of Fandango, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, if you want to redeem this code right away, go ahead and click on this option of Redeem at Fandango. With that, you'll be good to go. Also, make sure to check out these offers. In this page, you're going to find amazing offers. Likewise, go through these websites as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Fandango. Well, this way you can easily get up to $90 Fandango promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.